my name is Boon Long, and today I'm going to talk about the CNC machine. That producing same part every day using by hand is not very profitable, not very efficiency. So using a CNC machine, we can make it possible to make hundreds or even thousands of the same item or parts every day. So how do we use a CNC machine? First, we will design a drawing using the design software and then send it to the computer to process it. And after that, you will use a CNC machine to manufacturing it. Next, what is the meaning of the CNC? CNC stands for Computer Numerical Control. This means that the computer is convert the design into numbers and then processed by the computer, and the computer is control its cutting and shaping of the shape of the materials. Continue. Okay, next I'm going to explain the CNC system element. There are 4 elements in the CNC system machine. The first one is program, date reader, mini computer, and server system. And this image is shown in how the all the elements CNC system operate. The first, the program is entered into a computer through a keyboard, and there are various types of CNC codes such as XYZ code, N code, and G code. They are all used to control the machine. Next, the tape reader will use as a storage device where we can store a particular operation machine. And later, the mini computer will use to read the interpret and convert the perceived output. And lastly, the server system will receive the control system feedback devices, then set the output accordingly. So next, I'm going to explain what the function of using a CNC machine. The main function of using a CNC machine is we can improve the quality and accuracy of machinery, as the CNC machine can type a particular code to let the machine operate, and this can stabilize the manufacturing cost and also lower the human errors. Next, I'm going to explain the advantages of using a CNC machine. One of the advantages is CNC machine can produce jobs with the highest accuracy and precision than any other manual machineries. Besides that, CNC machine also can produce parts with very high accuracy and no variation in part manufacture. And CNC machine can produce the part 24 hours a day. Not only that, the CNC machine can reduce the waste as error allowed to minimize wasted material, and the operator it does not require any skilled operator, and a semi-skilled operator already can operate the machinery and produce parts with very high precision. Lastly, the advantages of using a CNC machine is the operator can easily make changes and improvement and reduce the delay time. Next, we are going to explain what is the disadvantages of using the CNC machinery. One of the disadvantages is a CNC machinery is very expensive as compared to any manually operated machine, and the maintenance cost for the CNC machinery is quite high, as it requires a very high skilled workers to maintain the machine. Okay, next I'm going to explain what application that CNC machine have. The first one is CNC machine can use in automotive industry, such as they can produce many different complex shapes, like the sports car have different brake shapes, and or maybe the car's spoiler. And not only that, CNC machinery also can use in aerospace industry, as CNC machinery can produce very big parts and complex geometry. And other than that, CNC machinery also can use in machinery industry and instrumental industry. In conclusion, the CNC machine has definitely provide the technology, precision, and high accuracy to make the consistent flow of procedure for a high production rate, and they have features that can make our production more faster with low to zero risk of human error. Not only that, CNC machine have definitely can save our time and money, as well as lessen the risk of wastage of material. And that's it for my CNC machinery presentation. Thank you.